So guys, this little plumbing hack is going to help you save hundreds of dollars. You don't have to call a plumber when your sink or tub is clogged. All you need is this one item that can be found at the Dollar Tree. But I am warning you, what you're about to see come out of my sink is absolutely disgusting. Just be like, who is she? Yes. So my sink had been clogged for like 2 weeks. I know that is horrible, but I really just didn't want to deal with it because I knew it was full of freaking hair. Like most of the time when the sinks are clogged, I'm sorry, every single time when the sinks are clogged in my house, it's hair. And it's either wig hair, a combination of my hair or Mackenzie's hair. So this time was no different. So I finally went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up this little snake. So ideally, you don't want to let the hair get caught in the drain, but I am just not the kind of person that's going to sit there and put a strainer in the sink every time I need to wash my hair. Like, yeah, right, that's just not going to happen. So I bought 2 of these so that the next time the sink gets clogged, I can go ahead and handle it early. This thing is really so easy to use. All you literally do is just stick it down the drain. The little, I don't know what they are. They're like little teeth on the side. Once you stick them into the drain, they're gonna attach to whatever hair is down in the drain. And when I pull this out, you guys are gonna be like, oh my God, why did she record this? So there was literally so much hair that I couldn't even put it all the way down into the drain. And when I say that this smells horrible, like I literally was gagging as I was doing this. You gotta think, like, we've been brushing our teeth, so there's like spit and slime and like, ugh, I'm getting creeped out even just watching this. Alright, so this is like the 3rd time. As you can see, it pulled up even more hair and gunk. So guys, literally this little stick from the Dollar Tree saved me so much money. I called a plumber and the plumber was like, I was like, how much would it be to remove hair from the drain? And then he was like, literally, it just depends on the scope of work, but it starts at $175. So I thought to myself, $175, or do I just need to go get this little stick from the Dollar Tree and some gloves and handle my business? So now I'm going to turn the water on, and if all the hair is gone, the sink should not fill up. So look at that. I think the sink is clear of all of the debris. So then I'm just going to go through and like clean and sanitize the sink really good, and then I'm going to move on to the tub because guys, the tub is clogged too. I'm using Gain because literally that's the closest thing that I could find. I didn't want to have to like touch the cabinet doors or anything with this nasty gunky stuff on my hands. So I'm just getting rid of all that nastiness really quick, and I definitely threw the sponge away after this. So the sink still had little particles and things in it, so I used my favorite cleaner, Awesome, and I really love this stuff because it makes everything sparkle and shine. If you have some tough like stains or anything that are kind of hard to remove, you just use a little bit of Awesome, and whatever is stuck is going to come right up. So that's all I'm doing right now. It's just kind of scrubbing. So onto the tub. When I say that there was more hair in the tub than was in the sink, guys, it's absolutely ridiculous. Don't judge me, but whatever. I'm showing you guys because I don't want you to have to pay for a plumber. You can go get one of these things and do exactly what I did, or get your husband to do it. If I was smart, I would have asked some man to please help me out, but I couldn't wait anymore, so I just went ahead and tackled it. At this point, I couldn't even get the stick into the drain. There was just so much hair. but I was able to just start pulling it out. Do y'all see that? That's like a whole damn wig. Like a whole wig was in the freaking tub. So if your tub is like draining slow, or you're taking a shower and the water won't run down, trust me, there's hair in there. Don't let it get this bad. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That little drain, you can pick it up from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. It's only $1, okay? And it's gonna save you hundreds of freaking dollars. Ideally, what you wanna do when you're washing your hair in the tub or the sink is buy a little strainer. They sell them for a couple of dollars at Walmart or the Dollar Tree, and it prevents hair from even going down in the drain. But if you're like me and you just don't think to do it, then you can use these really cheap and simple snake drains to pull the hair out of the drain. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.